Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Paw Patrol filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effect gallery. Okay, here in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not finding the filter like this in trending section. What you can do? Tap on the search button and search for Paw Patrol. Okay, the first one. This is the effect. Okay, to use this effect, I want clear. Wait for it. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do? Go to your For You page. And here search for Paw Patrol filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want.
Holy shit, I'm gonna...
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. From here you can add it to your favorites. And at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do? Let me close this and go back.
Wrong. I just saw...
Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect link. Just tap on it. You will be directed to the effect page again. Tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.